guys, Devon here again from Absolute Injury Management, Gippsland's Exercise and Sports Medicine Centre, and we've had another Facebook question come through our page today from Jenny. Now, Jenny spends a lot of time sitting at her workstation, and when she's not at her workstation, she's then travelling to and from work in her car. She's suffering a mild case of low back pain, looking for any simple tips in order to get herself back on track. The key thing here we need to look at, Jenny, is we need to look at how much time you're spending sitting down. The more time you're sitting down, the shorter our hip flexor muscle becomes. Now, our hip flexor muscle is a muscle that runs from our low back down through our pelvis and into the front of our hip. And when it gets short, we want to stand up nice and straight. And as a result of standing up nice and straight, it'll want to pull our lower back into a bit more of an arch. So if we're tight through that muscle, it'll give us a bit more of an arch. Now, that will close some of the facet joints in the low back. It'll close those down, and that's often the cause of this mild low back pain. People get stiff in those facet joints, which are on either side of the low back, the muscles around them go into a bit of spasm, and we get these mild cases of low back pain. So something you can do, Jenny, is obviously get yourself out of the chair. Make sure throughout the day, you're not getting stuck at the desk. You're getting up, you're going for a walk, you're getting a coffee, you're going outside. Whatever you can do to break up the cycle of sitting down for too long. And then what you can also do, Jenny, is you can just move into this Knight's kneeling position here. And you can lean forward at the hip. Make sure you've got a nice tight tummy. You're giving your glutes a little bit of a squeeze here as well. And then you're leaning forward so that you can get a stretch through the front of this hip. That'll give your hip flexor a stretch, and that should allow you to maintain a much more neutral spine in standing, so those facet joints can stay open, and then we can help keep your back pain under control. Remember, there's other causes of low back pain as well, so if you're suffering from low back pain, do get an assessment to make sure that what we've given, the stretch we've given you today is suitable. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in contact with us, either book online or you can call the clinic on 5174 7250. Thanks, guys.